pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey Gems, guess what I have? And it did not disappoint me. It's Karen, welcome back to my channel. So this here, the Moods palette by Laura Sanchez, was an Ipsy Plus, and I do a review and a look with this palette, and I'm so glad you were here with me because I need your thoughts on this look and a few other things. So let's get right into this video. Make sure to say hello. Grab a snack, grab something to drink, and just chill with me. It's not too long of a video, but I do hope you will stay and enjoy it. And if you're new, I do hope that you could subscribe by the end of the video. All right, guys, let's get into this look. Okay, are we ready? So we have the Moods palette by Laura Sanchez. And this came in Ipsy. It was actually one of my choices because, you know, every girl loves to get a palette. Yeah, Ipsy Plus. So I'm excited. It's called Moods. I did some swatches in my Ipsy video when I unboxed it. And here it is. So we're going to try this out and we're going to see if we can get a glam look out of this palette. All right. I forget what the palette costs. I think I want to say it was like 30 something, but I'll put this in the video. So my brushes should be dry today, I hope. All right, and we've got some browns. Oh gosh, you know what? I'm gonna start off with this tannish color, and we're gonna put that kind of as a base. I have a little bit of concealer on my eyes. That looks like just the color of my skin. But I'm excited to use one of these shimmers, and I'm really liking that bluish. But the purple's also nice, so you just don't know. Could go either way. You know me, changing my looks like midstream. Like, wait a minute. I'm gonna switch this up over here. Okay, so this is laying down nicely. It's gonna be hard for you to see it because it's like the color of my skin. But it is this color right here. And now that looks like a reddish kind of brown to me. Yeah, it's got a red undertone or tint to it. But we're going to try it anyway. We'll see how well it works. We're going to put that on the outer part of the lid and the crease. Just a little bit with this Morphe brush. Pack that there. Do a little blending. Make sure the crease is nice and dark. That's what makes the eyes big. Okay. Do a regular eye look today, no wing. And we'll make sure that the shadow is rounded and it doesn't come out too far. It's been a while since I've done a look like this. I've been having so much fun doing cut creases with the wings. Okay, this is blending pretty well. And it's not, there's not that much of a reddish tint. So I think I can get away with wearing it. Ooh, very nice. Okay. And this it's got some nice highlighters in here. There's a little bit of kick up, but that's always expected. There's a pink in here. Let me just take this tan color, go back and right on the edges here. Make sure all of that is nice and blended. And then I'm going to take a Luxie brush. This one, those ones that we got are different. They're more flimsy than the pink. I really like the pink ones. These ones really didn't do much for me. I don't know. It just didn't. Are they working for you guys? Let me get some setting spray here. Okay. That blue is just amazing looking. I really want to put that in my eye. Should we do the blue? Should we do the green and the blue? I don't know. Let's start out with this color right here. See it? And we're going to put that right over here. Ooh, that is super pretty. Definitely like that. And so far, everything is blending. Not a bad palette. So if you guys got this palette, enjoy it, man. Create some looks. So far, so good. Okay, now I want to put the bluish color, I think, on the outside. Do I want to do it on the outside? I think I do. Let me see. Ooh, look at that. Woo! That is pretty amazing. All right, we're just placing it down right now. I will definitely blend it out and see how well this brush picks up the color. It's amazing. And I know we've gotten these brushes in Ipsy before. Oh my gosh, look at that. Yeah. Holy dee. Woo! We've got this color. And we've got this color. Woo! Okay, let me let this dry a minute and then we'll do some blending. Okay, going in with the Jaclyn Hill brush, we're going to take the edge here and kind of just soften it. The colors might mix a little bit, but that's okay. We're just softening the edges. This brush has nothing on it. It's the JH31. In Jaclyn's brush collection, she has a lot of blending brushes. That's the one good thing about that, because you need more than one. Okay, we're just gently doing that. You know what, guys? I think I might want to be a little bit daring and throw something right here in the middle. Now, do we want to do the green or the bright purple? Ooh, that's a good question. We could do purple underneath the eye too, I think. I don't know, but I'm like loving these shimmers. Love, love, love. Okay. Okay. I'm going to take my first brush that I used, put it back in that tannish color, and put that up here. Again, just kind of, here we are. I'm really liking that, but I want something in the middle. Let's see, what can we put for a pop of color in the middle? Could do the green. The green would go probably pretty well, or I could go daring and do the purple. Let's just do the purple. Why not? This is a Sigma. I think it's an E25. Yeah. We're going to put the purple right here. Look at that. Hi. Woo. Yeah. A lot of color. But who doesn't like a pop of color? I mean, really. I was going to do a neutral look today because I have clothes I need to try on. The Fashion came. They ship so quick. It is amazing. Look at that. That's like, hi. Yeah, I'm liking that a lot. Let me make sure that this is all blended over here. Beautiful color. Like, hello. Oof, my goodness. And the shimmers don't seem to be disappearing either after blending them and all of that. So that is a really good thing. Now I've got a green shimmer left, which I'm kind of wanting to try beneath the eye here. I think, why not, right? Let's try all the shimmers. See what we can come up with. Here we go. Oof. Pretty. Oh, wow. It's like a rainbow color eye. But look at that green. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Ooh. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. I am going to take my blending brush and use just the corner and go right underneath this. That is gorgeous. Wow. All right. And now I'm going to take the brush I just put the green in, and I'm going to go in with the highlight down here, this whitish highlight. And we're going to put that right up here. Woo! Rainbow bright. But it's beautiful. Very colorful. I'm liking. Okay, put some on the inner corner. Yeah. It's like iridescent. It's got like a couple of different colors. It's neat. Or holographic, or I don't even know. What do you want to call it right now? I haven't finished on my coffee, so. Oh! I love it. That white just turns like pink. Look. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so we got this rock in here. Now I want to do some liner and what else do I want to do? We're going to do some liner, some lashes. Okay, I'm going to use the Kat Von D pencil, the cake pencil for this, for my waterline. Ooh, make sure I get the pigment on there. I love gel liners. And now I'm thinking about a lippy. What do you think for this eye lip? What color would you use on your lips? Okay, we got the under eye done. Or the upper under waterline eye part. Now, we will use this. Gently, short strokes. Don't go too fast with an eyeliner. Unless you're super used to it. And this one's got a lot of pigment. Okay. I also store it down like that so the pigment is always fresh at the top. Ooh, very different look for me. Wow. But I do like. Okay, so I want to take like a hint of this. Should I? I might go overboard. Karen, you might go overboard. That's all right. Hint of this and put it here. Woo. I'll be colorful today, man. You could easily do a halo eye with this palette. Easily. Okay, time for some mascara and lashes. So let me do that off camera so my camera doesn't stay too hot, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, so I put on my favorite lashes, the Hank and Henry Island Girl. And now we're going to go in with a highlight to finish up this look. What do you think? Do you think it's too colorful? Do you think that it's pretty? Do you think that you would go out with this color on these colors? All right, there's a brush in here that I just didn't even use, but I want to take a little bit of this highlight here. And we're just going to, ooh, okay. Oh my, okay, okay. So let's do some setting spray. And kind of pat that in. Pat that in. And there we have, do one more coat of Bronze Blood, JS Lippy. What do you guys think? Tell me your thoughts. I gotta know. Okay, so let's talk about this palette for a minute. It comes with a brush, which I totally just dismissed and used my own. I should have tried it. It feels like a decent brush. A little flimsy. You know how I am with flimsy brushes. But anyhow, I went into this matte and this matte, and they blended fine. And then I used all of these. I just did not use the yellow or the pink. And then I used this for that brow bone highlight in the inner corner, and then I used this up here. So I'd have to say overall, yeah, this is a good palette. Would I buy it? I don't know. I'm not really sure. Maybe. I mean, but for 30 some odd dollars without me knowing who she was, maybe not. But you know, if influencers are already using it and they like it, that's when you decide you want to buy it. So it's like, okay. So with this overall, if you've got it in Ipsy, atta girl, you'd be just fine using it. Especially if you like color. Would I buy it? I don't know. I'd have to figure that out. I still have to figure out who Laura Sanchez is. And probably most of you probably do know and can tell me down in the comments below, and I would totally appreciate that. But anyhow, thanks so much for joining me for this video. I've got a few others to do and some errands to run, and there's a tiny little net that's irritating me, some coffee to finish and all that. But I'll see you guys again real soon in another video. Bye!
Lost in the